Glad you all could make it. We had a great week. We had an amazing week, honestly. And I can only be thankful for the amount of pips that was brought in last week, and last week, and the moves that were made, like they weren't nothing under 500 pips, which is again amazing. And we went 4-0, 4-0. So me personally, I ain't even gonna hold you. When I say, pull it up. When I say I saw these setups happening, like back to back, and as you would notice, it's like all of these was called right around the same area because price kept rejecting to that area and allowing me to either buy or sell, for what came out. Now, a lot of my signals were sales this week. Excuse me. They were sales this week because, of course, last week, if you go look at the last live stream, we were right about here in the 25-21 area, 25-25. And I said that price would have rejected down here. As you see, we still have my channel marked up. And price has been moving through this channel, as well as this resistance and the support. And prices between these two, green and red, giving me it narrows down the entry for me or the moves that I'm looking for, instead of not having no support or resistance. And I'm like, okay, well, where's price or resistance or support? Or that's going to confuse you. So when it comes to it, I ain't got my camera on. Let y'all see me tonight, I guess. When it comes to it, a lot of plays that a lot of moves that you catch in the market are going to be moving between a support and resistance. And I say that because some people trade breakouts, some people trade from the supports, some people trade from the resistance. It all depends on what type of trader you are. Me personally, I trade from support to resistance and resistance to support. If any breakouts come, I just might, but it's very rare that I trade breakouts. So just going over the trades that we got in our signals from last week, and here we have a sell at 2,500 and take profit 1, 24.95, take profit 2 of 24.85, take profit 3 of 24.75 with a stop loss of 25.05. So this is September 2nd. I'm going to go back to the charts and we're going to look over it. I'll scoot over right here. Of course, this is when I started selling up in this area here. A lot of my trades are going to be based in here. So right now, let's go to, again, first trade at a sell of 2,500 all the way down to 24.75. And here we have my entry, about 2,500, and price tanked all the way to 24.73. That's 2,600 pips that was caught from entry to take profit. Well, my bad. 24.75. That's what I started. So about 2,400 pips on that. 2,400, 2,500 pips on that sell. They came out from 2,500 to 2,475. And then, as I say, price has been bouncing back. So here we have 2,495, 2,490, 2,485, and 2,475 again. So if we go back to the chart, here again, we have that 2,495 entry right around here. Notice, I'm gonna show you guys something. And we bring it all the way down. Price tanked out at 2,472, 2,471. And that was all through take profits. So when I say I'm going to show you something, I'm going to pull this support up right here and just show you how trading support to resistance works. So this was my first trade here at 2,500. Went all the way down to 2,575 as expected. Here's my second trade from 2,495. Went all the way down to take profit as expected. Okay. I'm going to change the color of these so y'all can stay with me on the trades. Color them green. All right. Price then rejected again off that support. 2 taps makes the support. And there we go. 2,490, 2,485, 2,475. Take profit 1, 2, and 3 hit. Take profit 1 and 2 hit at 4:18 that morning. I was just getting up, and then take profit 3 hit at 5:32. I ain't even wasn't just get up. I rolled out of my sleep because I felt like I was doing something in my dream. I ain't gonna lie, I seen a trade in my dream, so I had to make me jump up. But we ain't gonna talk about all that. 25.17, I had a sale come out, only hitting take profit 1, but still counting 700 pips. Go to 25.17. All the way to 25. Like 04, 25.04 is where it went. Oh, I lean this way. So yeah, like 24. I said 24.05. 25.03. Wow, I'm so sorry. Is where it went. And of course, we had take profit 1 hit coming close to 2,500. So it was almost take profit 2 hit for would have been like a total of. So it was 700 coming from 25.17 and 25.10. So about 1,700 pips there. That's still amazing. So, like I said again, last week we didn't get anything less than 500 pips off of gold. Then I had another sale come out here at 25.16. This was the biggest sale to end the week. As we all see. Let me click back over. We had it come out right here. So 25.17 all the way down. Price stopped out at 24.87. And that was if I caught all of that from 17 to 87, that would have been another 3,000 pips. But I ended up closing out. I think I eventually closed with. Oh, that was 3,100 pips. I initially think I closed with Yeah, 24.90. So I was off about 300 pips. And going from 25.17 to 24.90. Pull up my ruler so I can measure your bitch ass. All the way to 90. So 27, it was 2,700 pips. Still cheesing. We was caking, bro. So, ending off the week with a bang. And more than happy to go ahead and go over what I'll be looking for this upcoming week. As y'all see, I'm not one of them traders that y'all be seeing that be having like 100,000 lines and drawings and stuff all over their chart. I just filter out all that noise for myself, because why do I need to have all that there when it's so simple? And the way that price is looking right now, like we might have a rejection to the upside. A reversal, I'm sorry. I use reversal. So price might come back to about 25.07, 25.12 up in there, as far as for a continuation to the downside. Now, I'm just going to let you know this now. Gold is volatile. So therefore, we have to be careful. Now, on my 1 hour time frame, I got one bar of momentum coming back up to the upside, which is pretty strong. Any time frames from the 30-minute time frame on up is a pretty strong direction, because a lot of traders will tell you when you analyzing the market or analyzing the chart, always start from your highest time frames and go down. Why? Because you are able to see the direction of the market. Which way are you going? Are you going in for buys or are you going in for sales? And you're able to see that. Now here, don't get fooled. I have my white line coming outside of the MACD. Now, with this, two things can happen here. How this white line came out right here, it can easily build momentum back up and push right back inside of it. And then we'll be going to a higher high, of course. We kind of had it happen right here. This is just bigger though. Price was cut short and went back inside, building that momentum. As we see, volume also is up too, and price shot. That momentum fell, price fell. We had the sell right here come out. That white line came outside, and the sell initially started. So here, are we seeing now? We have our white line outside. Excuse me. And if we have it come back, come back inside of it, of course, we'll probably be looking for a breakout of this channel. I'm sorry, a breakout of this support under resistance up top, and higher high having that here. And get my crayon. Don't say nothing. It's my crayon. It's a crayon, bro. Leave me alone. We have this come out up here. Create a higher high. Probably touch it back at 25.31 again. But look like I'm seeing a little pinch of red down there. And if that's what that is, boy. We know where price is going. But and get all this noise off the screen. Move my drawings. Actually, let me put those back. I remove certain ones. Alrighty. So you see we have here drawn out. Price came outside of that trend line, which is also a little on the yeah side. But it's a possibility. Do. This is what we're going by here. Alright. Well, let me remove this, why don't you? Thank you. So if price comes to that 2508, 2512 area and it starts to reject, of course we hold in for the sell. And this sell I just might hold down till about 2560. 2570, I'm gonna round it off to the nearest about 2570. Price is currently at 2497. So that's still about, I think, about 1600 pip drop. Oh, a little more than that. 2700. So yeah, still a good move that can come out. Definitely. If we don't have that rejection happen here at that 2508 and 2513 zone, and price continues up to the 786 and the 1, we'll then wait for another entry. Of course, I'll be back on to mark up, my next move, depending on which direction the market goes. Of course, it's Sunday night, so we really can't see, okay, this doing this, this doing that. Because if I drop down to this 5-minute right here, y'all see that consolidation? The chart is moving sideways. So guess what we don't do? Trade. It's asking for a loss. There's no need. So definitely be mindful of that, because this whole area is just nothing but ups and downs. And I honestly feel like consolidation is for the beginner trader to acknowledge this market can play. So you can buy, sell all you want, but start about right here. By the time you get over here buying and selling, I promise you'll be at zero. That's just from personal experience. I'm gonna let you know that off rip, because I got hurt a lot of times with that. But we ain't gonna talk about that, because that still hurt a little some years ago. Yeah. So, I'm just letting y'all know, so y'all can be on the watch out for, on the lookout for it, and that don't happen to y'all. Please take my word on that. Do not trade consolidation. Do not trade consolidation. I don't care how good the setup looks. Like, oh, it look like it can break out to the top. It look like it can break out to the bottom. Don't do it. Because the minute that mug fake out like it's gonna go up, and you like, yeah, I got profit, I'm gonna hold it, it's gonna drop. Your heart gonna drop, your ass too. So just keeping it real. But yeah, thank y'all for tuning in tonight. We got a lot to come out this week, so definitely, if you're not a part of the Patreon as far as catching my signals, go ahead and hit that link in the description. Go ahead and get access, because what I'll be dropping there is my exact trades that I'm taking, as well as getting a team paid. So don't be afraid to inbox, DM, email. More than open to answer any questions you guys may have. Leave a comment if you need to. But yeah, right now we're just gonna let this play out, find out the direction of the market. I might end up doing a live tomorrow just to look at which side price ended up deciding to go to. From this point, right now it looks like it wants to sell again, but we're not going off looks. We're going to have to do another analysis tomorrow because, again, it's Sunday night. However, price is here, or back here, back here where price was at this support. So if this support is strong enough that 1, 2, third tap just might come here and reject back to the upside. And if that happens, then we're golden on gold. Yes, sir. I'm going to go back to the signals right quick just to show y'all the kind of ball that we've been on. And I'm going to go to my Twitter so y'all can also get a glimpse of what I post daily there so that you can view, like, subscribe, to my Twitter also. Totally up to you. But I'm trying to make it easier for you to find me. I have Linktree in bio. It has all my links on it. So if you want to use that, more than happy to use that too. More than welcome, sorry. Profile. There you go. All right. So of course this was the live stream that we are on today. This was Friday when I posted our signals at 4-0. 4-0 for the first week of September. 8,100 pips. So people are like, is that the amount of money that you get? No. It doesn't work like that. So how can I give you an example? If it's 8,100 pips and you put in, let me get up my calculator for y'all to see. If it's 8,100 pips and you risked a lot size of 0. Oh, there you go. 0.13 times 8,100. You'll come out with 1053. I've been using lot sizes of 0.04 this past week, and we're going to multiply that by 8,100 pips, and I totaled $324 just on using that. So let's go. And then, of course, if you're using $1 lot or $10 lot, because that's what this is, and you multiply that by 8,100, of course, you got $8,100. So, am I going to use a $10 lot? Hell no, not right now. But when we do, we definitely going to be eating. We're eating right now. Well, she ain't ate, but we're going to, know what I'm saying? Y'all get it. Don't be worrying about it. That's fine. But, again, thank y'all for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications for any upcoming lives if you don't want to miss them. Don't be scared to leave a comment. And I see y'all at the top. This bottom is way too crowded. Boy, Benji is out.